Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, loaded with features, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2015 Dart. The Dodge Dart was introduced as a lower-priced, shorter wheelbase, full-size Dodge in 1960 and 1961, became a mid-size car for 1962, and finally was a compact from 1963 to 1976. Chrysler had previously applied the Dart name to a Ghia-built show car in 1956 and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, stability control, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, four-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.